Suspended two-tone light, barely descended, pulse asleep, wrapped in silence, original form, self-defiance, slow expansion, walls receding, light begins, its gentle pleading. Drone sustains, no rush, just being underwater glow, slowly freeing. Pulse awakens, a 35 whisper, high pass rhythm, soft glisten shimmer. Room grows wider, breath gets longer, stillness holds, becoming stronger. Steps lengthen, not bright, not hard. Walk feeling, pulses guard. Rhythm sustains, meditated beat. Underwater stride, slow and sweet. Pulse extends, reaches farther, movement clear, growing calmer, journey unfolds, step by step, drawn beneath, depths well kept. Pulse recedes, drone comes forward, movement fades, centered inward, rhythm softens, nearly gone, original form returns, drawn alone, barely breathing, last remnants, slowly leaving, two-tone light, dimming, pure underwater rest, so sure. Almost nothing, breath of oxygen, light trembling, journey